The best racers out there will all tell you the same thing. Data is the key to a successful racing program. The more information that you can obtain, the better your chances of winning are. Racepak was built on that motto, and we work hard to give you the best products available for all your data acquisition needs. Look no further than our full line of data logging dashes, the IQ3D, IQ3SL, and IQ3LD. All three units combine the same great look and feel of our popular IQ3 dash with the added benefit of built-in data logging. They're the perfect all-in-one solution for sportsman drag racers, circle trackers, professional pullers, and just about anyone else with a street strip project or a custom ride that wants to take advantage of a programmable display with built-in data logging capabilities. Racepak's IQ3 dashes come fully loaded with quality features like our VNet single cable sensor connectivity, OBD2 compatibility, and fully programmable displays. Our IQ3 Logger dash boasts 42 channels of data logging capability, while the IQ3 Street Logger provides up to 32 channels of vehicle data. With our IQ3 Drag dash, you can support 6 VNet sensors and upgrade to monitor another 18 individual channels. Track mapping and vehicle speed is acquired internally with the onboard GPS and 3-axis G-meter. This eliminates the need to purchase an external data logger, beacon receiver, and wheel speed sensors. Packed with all these features and more, Racepak Logger dashes are sure to improve your lap times, help diagnose potential engine issues, and put all the information you could ever need right at you and your pit crew's disposal. If you own a late model vehicle with a stock ECU, more than likely you have very little idea what your engine is actually doing. Racepak offers OBD2 based data loggers that can provide you the tools to analyze each pass, every turn, and heaven forbid, any failures that you might have. Our Vantage CL1 and CL2 loggers simply plug directly into the OBD2 port that's found on most 2008 and up vehicles. Or you can connect them to a variety of aftermarket EFI systems with our optional EFI interfaces. The CL2 kit even includes an extension cable for vehicles with hard-to-reach ports or remotely mounted ECUs. Both of our Vantage kits are easy to use. Simply pair them with a mobile device that's capable of running Racepak's D3 app. Program your desired sensor inputs, and then you're ready to hit the track. Our D3 app provides the driver complete real-time instrumentation, while the wireless module gathers the OBD2 or EFI system data. The D3 app records your vehicle's information, then streams the data directly to your own personal Racepak cloud account. You and your crew can view it live or watch it later, making for a true hands-off user experience. It's a must-have for you late model drag racers, autocrossers, road course rebels, and even weekend warriors. So whether you're looking to make that full pull, reduce your ETs at the strip, improve lap times on the track, or you just want to be able to diagnose potential failures, then you need to look into a data logger from Racepak. If you'd like to learn more about our data logging capable digital dashes, Vantage Series data loggers, or any of our other great data acquisition products, visit our website at racepak.com.